This is Kirrary village, perched 1,000 feet on the side of a mountain overlooking the Blasket Islands. It's a quaint little village, commanding some of the most magnificent scenery we have, and as far away from the cares of the city as you can get. All in all, this is the ideal spot for you if you want to break into the tourist industry, or if you want one of those holiday homes in remote parts, which are quite the fashion now. But if you feel you can't afford it, they're making a special offer in Kirrary this month. Would you take the whole village, all 40 houses, one pub, one church, one guard station, and one schoolhouse, free?
Absolutely, anybody can have it for nothing. It's all a gift from faraway productions to the people of the Dingle Peninsula, because we've been so happy here and they've been so nice to us.
The offer comes from Mr. Anthony Havelock Allen. Just over 6 months ago, his company built a road up the side of this mountain, brought in earth movers, cement mixers, and a work crew of over 100 men. They hauled in thousands of tons of stone, and in just a few months had built Kirrary, a model village from the past, from its cobbled main street to its antique pub. And now they're giving it away. The reason? Kirrary is in fact the set for director David Lean's latest film, Ryan's Daughter, being shot on the Dingle Peninsula. But it's a set with a difference. This one was built to last. Because of the gales which sweep in from the Atlantic, the village had to be built not with the usual fiberglass and wood, but with rock. Otherwise, it would just have blown away. Some of the houses have heavy wooden backs, but the company would build stone walls in their place if anybody wanted to take over the village. Kirrary is a reconstruction of the 1916 period in which the film's action takes place, complete with decaying cottages, dusty shop, RIC station. It's as if time froze here.